Welcome to our next Wandering Walks of Wonder adventure. Today we're headed to the Presidio Nuestra Señora de Loreto de la Bahía, also known as the Presidio La Bahía. The Presidio La Bahía is a fort constructed by the Spanish Army that became the nucleus of the modern day city of Goliad, Texas. The current location dates way back to 1747. The Presidio was founded in 1721 on the ruins of the failed French Fort St. Louis. It was moved to a location on the Guadalupe River in 1726. In 1747, the Presidio and its mission were moved to their current location here by the San Antonio River. By 1771, the Presidio had been rebuilt in stone and had become the only Spanish fortress for the entire Gulf Coast from the mouth of the Rio Grande River to the Mississippi River. The civilian settlement, later named Goliad, sprang up around the Presidio in the late 18th century. This area was one of the three most important in Spanish Texas. The Presidio played a significant role in the history of Texas. It was the site of the Battle of Goliad in October 1835 and the Goliad Massacre in March of 1836. The massacre, in which over 300 Texan prisoners were executed by Mexican forces, was one of the most infamous events in the Texas Revolution. We're now entering the chapel inside the Presidio. This chapel is important, not only as a chapel itself and still a working chapel, but it was the site of the first Declaration of Texas Independence, which was signed on November 2nd, 1835. The Presidio La Bahía was also used by the Mexican Army during the Mexican-American War. In 1846, it was captured by American forces under the command of General Zachary Taylor. The Presidio was returned to Mexico after the war, but was abandoned in 1861 during the American Civil War. It was fully restored in the 1960s and became a National Historic Landmark in 1967. This is the most fought-over fort in Texas history, participating in 6 national revolutions or wars for independence. Spanish, Mexican, and Texas soldiers all garrisoned its fortified walls. Presidio La Bahía is a significant historical site that played a major role in the development of Texas. We'll walk around the fort here just a little bit and see what life was like back in the 1740s all the way up to about the mid-1880s. And in just a little bit we'll head to a small museum that shows more artifacts and exhibits about the Presidio. We're now entering the museum here inside the Presidio, which talks about some of the history of the Presidio, the Texas Revolution, the Mexican Revolution, the Civil War, the Mexican-American War, and much more history that occurred here back from the 1740s all the way up till the 1860s. I hope you've enjoyed your tour today of Presidio La Bahía. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on our next Wandering Walks of Wonder. Take care now. Bye.